What is up mga ka-tech shop? So I have here an Oppo A5S with LCD issue and power switch issue. If you're interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check the link on the description for the tools that I've been using in my repairs. Let's go! Alright, so let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. I'm just using blade and a prying tool to open up the back cover, and then just apply heat before using that blade. And then once you remove the back cover, don't separate it yet from the body because the fingerprint flex cable is still attached to the phone, so you'll need to remove it first. There's a screw that you'll need to remove and the metal plate, and then once it's out, then you can separate the back cover from the phone. And then we'll be cleaning up the glue, the old glue that's still attached to the phone. So we're going to remove it first, and then we'll be removing all the screws at the back cover. Once done, we can start prying the this back cover, second layer of the back cover, and we will have access to the motherboard and to the LCD flex cable once the back cover is out. Now we have access to the main board or the LCD flex cable. We can now test it with a new LCD. So when I tested it, it seems that the power switch is not working. So I had to work on the power switch first because we cannot power on the motherboard or the phone. So I had to solder a new power switch for this Oppo A5S. So basically, I just apply heat on the power switch and remove the old switch and replace it with a new one. After replacing the power switch, I tested the LCD and it said it's working fine, the touch is working, and now we are ready to remove the old LCD. Once we remove the LCD, we need to clean up the edges of the phone or on the frame. So once we apply glue, it's gonna hold the LCD to the phone. After applying the glue, we are ready to attach the new LCD and wait for an hour until the glue dries up. And then we can assemble the phone and test everything to see if it's working. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in this kind of video. Let's go.